I am so bored. I have nothing to do. I'm going to go buy NFTs with my all using my mother's money. Ha 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 ha. So this one is worth $300,000. My mom only has $300,000. There we go. I bought the NFT. When Doc Blizzard Powers' parents got home, where did all my money go? Go. What? Doc Blizzard Bowser spot this weird image of a monkey. That is it. He is in so big trouble. Well, when I see him. I have a big punishment for him, and it's bigger than all the other punishments I have ever given him. Doc Blizzard Bowser, what mother? How dare you spend all my money on a picture of an ape? You do realize that is wrong, and you wasted all my money. It is basically worthless to spend all of my money on a picture of an ape called an NFT. That is a Doc Blizzard Bowser, sir. You're grounded for 458 days. And I have a very big punishment for you. You'll be being sent to Colombia. No, 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 no. Not Colombia. Anywhere but Colombia. It is one of my least favorite countries in the world. Too bad, Doc Blizzard Bowser. You'll be being sent there right this instant. I'll give you a one-way ticket to the airport. So, we have a one-way ticket airport to Colombia for Doc Blizzard Bowser. Okay, I'll be sending him to Bogota, Colombia. Uh. I cannot believe I sent here. Do puedo creer que vi everyone aquí. OMG estoy hablando español. Dado estoy escribiendo ahora.